pictures of snow on top of furniture. How about lawn furniture covered in snow? Holy cow. Holy cow, I bet you my chickens are buried. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I've never seen it like this. Wow. Danny, you ready to go out? Hi, Pumpkin. You ready to go out? Hi guys. Hey. Hi. Oh no, I'll give you some food. Wait. See if my chickens are still alive. That drift. Ooh, look at my chicken run. At least part of it's clean. That's good. Everybody's good in here. I'll get that door open as soon as I can, girls. Yeah. Maybe they'll find the grass I threw there for them because their barrel is buried. Hopefully we'll have some green pastures.